sign out YouTube from other devices. In this video, I will show you how to sign out of YouTube from other devices. First, click on the YouTube app. Then click on your profile at the lower right corner. Then click on the settings icon. Then click on switch account. Then click on manage accounts. Now click on your account. This is my account. Then click on Google account over here. Now look for security. So click on the security tab. Now scroll down till you find other devices. So here you find your devices. So click on manage all devices. So these are all the devices that are connected to this account. So let's say we want to log out from this device here. So we just click over here. Then we put in our password. I'm gonna put in my password. So after you put in your password, click on next. Now here you can see the sign out button. So click on sign out. Click on sign out here. Now you've signed out from this account from that device. Now you can do the same thing for other devices. Thanks for watching.